median of normal distribution. We know that for a distribution, median lies at the middle point. Now, if it is the normal distribution and m is the middle point, then m divides the entire interval in entire distribution into two equal parts, where the left hand side of m, area of the left hand side of m will be half, and that of the right hand side is again half, so that the total area is equal to 1, which is the probability, total probability. Now, how to find out the median of the normal distribution? We will use the integration of the probability density function f x dx. Here the integration is taken from minus infinity to m. That means integration is taken from minus infinity, the lowest point, to m, the middle point. So, integration is nothing but the area. So, the area from minus infinity to m, which we will get by integrating the function f x, should be equal to half, which implies, let us put the value of this PDF 1 by sigma root over twice pi, which is a constant. So, we can write down outside this integration sign, then minus infinity to m exponential x minus mu sigma square by 2 sigma square, which is equal to half. Again this implies, again you can write down the entire integration part dividing into two parts. Suppose mu is any point in between minus infinity to m. This point is suppose mu, this point is m suppose. So, dividing the integration from minus infinity to m as minus infinity to mu plus integration from mu to m. We assume here that mu is not lies at the middle point, but we know that mean lies at the middle point of the normal distribution, that is mean median mode coincide, but still let us suppose that mu lies in between the points minus infinity and m. So, we can take the integration from minus infinity to mu plus integration from mu to m, which is written like this: integration from minus infinity to mu plus integration from mu to m, which should be equal to the right hand side, which is half. But we know that the mu, that is the mean of normal distribution, lies at the middle of the distribution. So, the function 1 by sigma over twice pi integrating from minus infinity to mu, this is the function for the normal distribution, is equal to half. That is, integrating from minus infinity to mu, it should be equal to half, because we know that the mu lies at the middle of the distribution for normal distribution. But from this equation, the star, we can write down this part as half plus the remaining part integrating 1 by sigma over twice pi integration mu to m exponential, this part is equal to half. So, this half we can write down to the right hand side, half minus half, which is equal to 0. Now, we see that this integration from mu to m, this function is equal to 0. That means mu and m is the same point, because integrating is finding out the area only. If we take the area from minus infinity to some point a, then we must get some area in between minus infinity to a, but here the area is equal to 0. That means mu and m is the same point. That means mu is equal to m. The mean and median for normal distribution is same.